What's going on YouTube? 6'5" Rider here, and today we're gonna bring you something a little different. As you can see, we're not behind the bars, we're actually driving the car. It's Saturday morning and me and the missus are going out on the boat today. I'm a member of this boat club. It's called JetRide, based out of Jupiter, Florida. They have about 5 or so locations between Palm Beach and Broward County. And basically it's a monthly membership where you can pay a monthly fee and basically take out their boats whenever you want. They have an app that you can reserve the boat. You either get the day reservation or the afternoon hours. And basically you just take the boat out without having to worry about docking fees, maintenance, cleaning, or anything like that. So it's just a very convenient way to get out on the water and have some fun. So we're gonna go out and meet up with some of our friends who are at the dock right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what the whole experience looks like and take you out on the water with us. So I'll see you guys when we get there. They do offer free valet parking, which is awesome. So that's what we're gonna take advantage of today. Hey bud, you do valet for the JetRide?
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
Pretty good, are you?
Good.
Good, good. Thanks, sir. All right, so this is the Marina at the moorings here in Boynton Beach. And it's honestly such a convenient way to be able to get on the water without having to worry about all the extra costs of owning a boat. It's a genius idea, I think. One of the cons, I say, like, is you can't get a boat like that. So these are some of their boats. It's like on the smaller side. Anywhere between 17 and 22 footers, I believe. So one of the cool boats they have is the pontoons. They're so comfy. Unfortunately, we're not getting that today. We're getting just a center console. I think it's like a 19 footer, which is good enough for what we're trying to do. We're just gonna chill here in the intercoastal. We're not going out into the ocean today. Hello. How are you, bud? What's up, guys? How are you? Last name Peanut Island in West Palm Beach. And basically this is a very famous spot around this area. As you can see how beautiful the water looks. It's just an island right inside the intercoastal waterway, and it's right off of the Palm Beach inlet.
You dropping the anchor?
Yeah. I tied it already, so you can just drop it if you want. All you have to do is drop it.
Drop it?
Yep.
Drop it.
Right under the boat. Yep.
Then why don't you drop with it?
Just let it go. It's tied.
Let go?
Yep.
Sun.
Let me see.
We're gonna need the sun.
Got the sun.
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we're good. That's why I always like to like tie it right away,
Yeah.
like before we leave, so I don't fucking struggle, bro. So here's the island. You guys can just see how beautiful this water looks. And it's supposed to even look nicer in a bit because the tide is coming in. So it'll get a little deeper. Yeah, you can swim right into the island. They have like barbecue facilities and whatever you need.
I only want half.
This video is not sponsored by Einstein Bros Bagels.
Oh, it smells good.
Let's see what this looks like. Holy moly, look at this. Oh yeah,
Yes.
beautiful. Shit, so this is French toast?
Is that?
A French
Yeah.
toast bagel, I can smell it. Wow.
No, I just...
Alright, you guys, like I said, we just got to Peanut Island. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this water. I guess we're gonna test out the whether this camera actually is waterproof or not. So we're gonna try that out right now. All right, it's still working. So here's the boat. It's a Starcraft. everybody for watching. Unfortunately, my GoPro died before I can make an outro to this video, and so that's why I want to do a little voiceover. I want to give a big shout out to the folks over at JetRide, and especially the deckhands. They're always helpful whenever we go out on the boat, so if you ever do this experience, make sure to tip them, you guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way I can bring you guys more content. As always, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.